What's going on YouTube? Cedric here. Welcome to a new video in the grocery store, and I gotta pee so bad. A little over 4 ounces of turkey. Actually, I went for 3 servings, which is 6 ounces. That's 27 grams protein, 3 carbs, and 3 fat for 150 calories. That's a mean turkey sandwich. It's 37 grams protein, 5 fat, and 42 carbs. 42 very high quality carbs. So eating this sandwich, about to edit a video, and then going back out at around 5:15, and gonna go to the park, shoot around a little bit, toss the old spoon back and forth with Olivia, and by spoon I mean lacrosse stick. I don't know how it's gonna work out. She doesn't play lacrosse, so I don't know, but catching a lacrosse game, a high school lacrosse game at 7. So we're going to the park up until 7, going to the game, and then after that, I don't know what's happening. I didn't plan that far ahead, so yep.
Might get cold later.
It will. You didn't bring your ball?
Why would I bring my ball?
We literally played for like 5 minutes.
No, we didn't. We played for longer.
No, into the car.
We played for like 20 minutes.
Played for like 5 minutes. Yep. Yep. This is why you got cut this year.
Huh?
Is that not you?
I'm going.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ow, dude.
Oh.
Sugar.
Griffin Lee, son of Sam and Angie Lee. Lacrosse is meant to be win or lose. We work as a team in creating a Lacrosse has also given me many lasting friendships and positive role models in my life. Another lesson I've learned is to choose meals wisely before games and practices. I will be attending IUP Culinary School in the fall. My plans are to own my own restaurant. I also hope to somehow assist with the youth lacrosse program in some capacity.
There you go, Jay. Good shot, Tom.
What is true?
Jeez, keep it in! Get away!
I was like, I bet it's like he goes, and I'm like, you were not
He flicked me off the whole way down.
Oh, number 7?
Yeah, oh, no. When we scrimmaged him, he laid me out down there. I was like,
What was the score?
Like 14 to 4.
Oh, yeah. No, it was like
Last
12.
year I was
It was,
calling you
it was
over here.
12-4. Yeah, this is like my 3rd time getting Chipotle in a row.
I knew it.
No, but I love Chipotle, so it's fine. It's fine. Love what I got. Got it? Going into Giant. We're getting a movie because I guess that's what we're doing now. Are these supposed to be this hard?
That's why she would get the box.
I'll do it wrong.
No, you didn't.
453.
Because it would have been like way up there. Like I would have been so. Told it from the high school or like
What's going on, YouTube? Cedric here. It's been a choppy 2 days, I agree. Yeah, I'll agree. But today, I was with Olivia. I stayed at her house and then into the next morning. So today, as in this morning, you guys saw, we actually on our way to the high school, we went for a run. We ran outside, went outside and ran for like 30 minutes, which was like 4 miles and some change, like a little over 4 miles, which I thought I was gonna die. I thought it was over for me, but it wasn't too bad. Partially because we stopped for a little bit because we went to this park, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. So, and now I'm headed home. I need a shower, seriously. I need a shower, and then I have like 2 hours until I have to go to work.
Fuck you.
Shit.
Dude, what that thing jumped at you?
I'd be so shook.
what? Why?
I gotta do no.
What's happening, YouTube? Sunday, and bro, I don't know what happened. It's Sunday. I got terrible sleep last night, and I just woke up with the suds, aka I'm sick. My throat's itchy, scratchy, and my nose is stuffed, and like it kind of came out of nowhere. I'm thinking it's probably from hanging out with Olivia, man. I knew she was dirty, bro. You gotta watch out for that. Just kidding, she's not dirty. And I was even thinking to myself a few days ago, I was like, man, Seth, you doing real good, man. You haven't been sick in a while, man. You really taking care of your body. And then literally today, this morning, last night, I felt like something in my throat. I was like, damn, bro, I hope I don't get sick. And of course, the next morning, there it is. Currently 5:30 right now, and I'm oh, it doesn't zoom in. Alright, that's awkward. I was gonna zoom in on my dog. But opening up my pool, so I gotta go to Lowe's, get some DE, because we took the cover off just today, and I'll show you. It's nice and green, so it's yummy right now, so we're gonna go get some chemicals for it. Going to Lowe's and back, so I'm actually going to bring the home skillet. You want to go to Lowe's? Yeah, he wants to go to Lowe's. Alright, come on. Come on. To the car. To the car. Yesterday at Five Below, I got Olivia lost my car charger somehow. Don't ask me how, 'cause I don't even know. She claims she doesn't know. I think she stole it, but hey, you know. Nice. I was just locking the door. Get in. Holy moly. Alright. Made it to Lowe's. Pull stuff, pull stuff, pull stuff, pull stuff. Alright, that was kind of a bust. I didn't find any DE. I don't really want to wait around too long. Remy's in the car. Hey.
Remy? 3:59. Hey, buddy.
We're trying to go to Lowe's, but like,
Huh?
I was trying to go to Lowe's because I had to get something for the pool, but it didn't work out, and he was getting hot, so I got him some ice cream.
Are you feeling better?
Yeah. These are the no pump leg veins, so I'm hype about it.
You and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong. Go.
I got a thingy like this.
You got a lax stick too?
Yeah, I got it for my birthday. I got 2 of those. I got 2 of those for my birthday.
You got 2? Oh, maybe we can practice sometime.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And we can work out.
Next Saturday.
The seats though. All right. Hold on. Let me put the leash in there. You gonna hold them for me?
Oh, sure.
All right.
There's a bug!
There's a bug!
Right there!
Ah!
There's a bug in your car!
Yeah, I'll hold your drink.
It's your drink, isn't it?
That's your drink now.
Wait, put it right there.
All right.
You got
There we
muscles.
go.
You got muscles.
Oh, a little bit.
Little
At least somebody recognizes.
No, it's this one.
It's that one?
Yeah, that one.
You know more than me. Sure.
Yeah. It's 2% already.
Yeah, that's gonna take a while. Let's get something to eat.
Let's do some snacks.
See what's popping off in the kitchen.
Woo! Oh, Remy's up here. Hello, Remy. It's taking a long time to load.
Do you wanna?
Oh, man. There's so much you need to look at. Boosters.
Nathan's Brewsters.
And I call that boosters.
Me too.
The real deal. Let's go.
That is hashtag the real deal.
Bottom feeder. Bit over.
Well, come on.
You got it from here? All right, little man. I'll see you soon. Have fun at school.